I'm now going to continue my video series in elementary mathematics by continuing my discussion of Common Core mathematics. Now, what I'm going to show you at this point is something that's even easier than what I showed you in the last video. Okay? Now, again, this is the traditional way that most people have solved their problems, me included. Okay, I was taught how to do this a long time ago. Now, we're going to do this basically the same way as we did in the last video, but we're going to make one slight change. Okay, we got the 50 and the 20, and it adds up to 70. We got the 7 and the 9, and it adds up to 16. Now, at this point, we're going to separate the 16 into 10 plus 6. All right, and so the first thing we're going to do, if we separate this into 10 plus 6, is we're going to add that 6 to that 70. Now you got 76. Well, 76 plus 10 is just 86. That's how that works. And it's a lot simpler than a number line or a big 100 chart. What they're asking kids to do is to draw out the math problem. You don't need to do that. This is a lot easier to learn. It's a lot faster to learn. This can be taught to most any kid. All right? And if you have to, just to illustrate the tens digit and the ones digit, get two buckets. One labeled the tens digit, one labeled the ones digit. And illustrate that, then illustrate this. This is a lot easier to learn. And like I said, most every kid would comprehend this rather quickly. And if you're talking to somebody who's had traditional mathematics like this, you can communicate this, and this is very similar to this. It would not be too hard of a stretch to imagine this, even for me. And since Scott Flansburgh endorses it, Arthur H. Benjamin endorses it, and I also endorse this, this is a lot easier. We don't need 4 solutions or 5 solutions or 10 solutions to the same math problem. We just need one very simple solution to getting to the same goal. You see what I mean? So, I think Common Core should stick to something simple like this and just eliminate that number line, eliminate that 100 chart. They don't need to have any of this number theory stuff. I can teach them number theory a lot better than this. I guarantee you. And they can see patterns like this. The time to teach number theory is after you've taught them Euclidean geometry. And yes, I can even teach grade schoolers Euclidean geometry. I really can. It would take a little time, but I could do it. You've seen all my videos. You know. So, to avoid a very long discussion, I'm going to end this video right here. And I will teach you something different in elementary mathematics in just a little bit, so stay tuned.